Montana Attorney General Austin Knudsen has been in office about 7 months. In that time, he's filed a lawsuit against the White House, been involved in a battle with the Montana Supreme Court, and made a move to get the Montana Highway Patrol office out of Helena. I recently sat down with him to talk about his busy 7 months. So you've recently announced that you're going to be moving Montana Highway Patrol out of Helena into Boulder. How's that going? How's that plan working?
The plan is going well. We've run into a few snags just with the housing crunch, well, the housing crunch too, but the contractor crunch, the building crunch. There was a little bit of renovation needed in the main administration building. I mean, obviously we have some security issues with the Highway Patrol. They're protecting confidential criminal justice information, so there's certain boxes we have to check to make sure the building is secure. So some light renovations needed in that building that was already existing on the Boulder campus. But we're on schedule, and I would say within about a month, we should have headquarters moved out of Helena. It was a rented space that frankly we'd outgrown. It was tough to get in and out of, and not the best looking place for the Montana Highway Patrol, frankly. And we found an existing property within state government that was vacant. We were paying $1 million a year just to keep it up on a vacant property, and so this is going to be a really great move for the Highway Patrol. It's a great campus. The city of Boulder is very excited we're coming, and we're excited to go. So we're on schedule.
That's fantastic. You've not let a lot of grass grow under your boots. You said boots hitting the ground here. It's been a busy 7 months for you since you've taken over as Attorney General for the state of Montana. Lawsuit against the White House, bit of a battle with the judiciary. Let's talk about those 7 months.
Sure.
So you just piled right into it.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I'm an aggressive guy. This is what I campaigned on. I think this is what people picked me for the job for. I don't think they elected me to sit in Helena and have a title and put my feet on a desk. So yeah, we're trying to be very aggressive. We've picked some important fights, I think, with the federals. When you're looking at the Arizona immigration lawsuit that we've joined, when you're talking about Keystone XL, that's one that my office is leading. That's a huge financial financial, social, go down the list. That issue is huge for the state of Montana. It might not get talked about a lot here in Bozeman, but boy, you get out of Bozeman and start talking in eastern Montana, the tax revenue alone that project was set to bring to a lot of eastern Montana counties was an absolute windfall. So yeah, we've tried to be smart about the fights that we're picking, but we've also tried to be very forward-leaning and not rest on our heels. Absolutely.